going to show you how to do a DIY manicure, no polish, but it leaves your nails beautiful and strong. As someone who has successfully grown their nails very long in less than 10 months, I'm going to show you how to give your nails a natural manicure, no polish in 20 minutes. Let's go! Hey guys, it's Claris. Welcome back to my channel. After you've removed any nail polish from your nails, the first thing we need to do is to remove the cuticles. There are lots of ways to do this, but I like to use my Sally Hansen Cuticle Removal gel. I got from eBay for like $5. I'll have the link for you below if you'd like to pick this up. So I'm squeezing this around my cuticles and using an orange stick to push back the skin as well as scrape off dead cuticle on the nail. Removing this will give us more room to work on the nail as well as help prevent our mani from lifting. Now go wash your hands to get rid of that stuff off your skin. So these are still looking pretty busted up. By the way, here's a little trick I found. Use a wood stick to scrape off little things stuck to under the nail. But next, we're going to file. This is my glass file from Bliss Kiss in travel size. It's $10 and yes, it is a little investment, but it says it will last a lifetime. And so far, it's been great. It's so smooth and you can easily brush off the filing dust for next time. The link is below if you'd like to learn more about this file. So now I'm just touching up my almond nails. Speaking of nail shape, what is your favorite nail shape? And is it the one that you're wearing now? There are so many shapes and some just don't seem to make any sense. Share your favorite below. Okay, now we're getting into the fun stuff. This is a fiberized ridge filling base coat. And what this will do is fill any ridges or blemishes in your nail to give it a nice smooth surface. This was $10 on eBay, but it's a huge bottle, so I'm happy. And as you can see, it has a nude shade, I guess to help make any discoloration not as noticeable. So I'm applying it to all my nails, and I found it dried in minutes. So as you can see, it really smooths out the surface of the nail. So all these have dried, and just look how pretty they look. Now it's time for top coat. I had to look up how to pronounce this brand, but Seche Vite, I think, maybe? Anyways, I'm applying a layer to all the nails, but you know, I want to experiment a little. What would these nails look like matte? This is my Essie matte top coat, and I'll try this out on 2 nails. Wow, what do you think? There's something so elegant about matte nails. Do you prefer matte or glossy? For the most part, I prefer glossy, so I'm going to make them glossy again, and then we can proceed to the next step, cuticle oil. This is 100% jojoba oil, and I love it for my nails. I'm applying a drop to each and then rubbing it in. And let it soak in for a couple minutes, and then we can see what it looks like. Look at that, guys. So pretty and manicured, but also so natural, and the base and top coat will help to add some strength to the nails so they're not all on their own. I really enjoyed filming this, but one of my nail art friends, Andy's Crafting Universe, has invited me to do a mani swap with her, so hit the notification bell so you don't miss that video. I'll recreate 5 of her designs. It will be so much fun, so be sure to watch out for that. Also, if you want some more nail art inspiration, I have a huge playlist of nail art tutorials in the description, so feel free to go and check that out. Follow me on Instagram at thepolishedqueen15 for almost daily posts featuring nail art I do in between videos and swatches. If you like this video, please let me know by liking it below. Subscribe and hit the bell if you haven't already. Share this video with your fellow nail artists and comment below how helpful this video was. I look forward to seeing your comments and giving responses as well. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching and have a magical day.